Hello dear parents, I am Nakaiwa Lilian, and today I bring you 5 tips on how to boost your child's appetite during this season of flu. When your child has the flu, it's common for their appetite to decrease due to their body's focus on fighting the infection. Additionally, the immune system demands more energy to fight the virus, diverting away from digestion and nutrient absorption, further contributing to reduced appetite. Do this to boost their appetite. Offer chicken or beef soup with blended vegetables to prevent dehydration and soothe the throat. Add spices, for example cinnamon or ginger, to their tea. Offer boiled powdered mukene. Give small frequent meals every after 2 hours. Offer a tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange juice twice a day. What to expect? From day 1 to day 3, the child has low appetite, with day 3 being the peak. From day 4 to day 6, there is a slight rise in the child's appetite per day. If your child's appetite does not improve after 7 days of trying these tips, consider opting for anti-porridge appetite booster.